Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export your videos from Adobe After Effects with transparent backgrounds. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and create a new composition. That's going to be the main page you agreed by, so it's going to look like this. You just want to go ahead and select all your details and so on. And after creating a composition, you can go ahead and get started creating it right here. So let's say you have already made your project with your transparent background, and now you want to go ahead and see how you export it so that your transparent background exports how it's supposed to. Well guys, this is what we're going to do. So the first thing you want to do is click the file option right here in the upper left corner, and then you want to go ahead in this new drop down menu that appears, find the export button. Under export guys, you can see it's going to open up all the options right here. You want to select add to render queue. So I'm going to add it to render queue guys, and now we can go ahead and select our render settings. As you can see right here in the queue, we can select what kind of options we want. Let's say we want the best settings, and now we can go ahead and select our output module, and this is where it's important to go ahead and manage our transparent background. So you want to go ahead and click output module, and this is now going to open up this new output module settings. And guys, as you can see right here under video output is going to be an option that says channels, and guys, once you click on channels, you can see you have either RGB alpha and RGB plus alpha. So guys, if you have a video and a project with a transparent background, this option is going to be available to select. You'll want to select RGB plus alpha, and after selecting that, click on OK and save the render settings and get started with rendering. As you can see, currently I do not have the transparent background, so I cannot open up the settings, but if you do, you want to select RGB and alpha, and that's how you will be able to render it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.